So like, okay, let's say total 72 total. 72 points added. So that would mean that we have around. So that is 112. Double that, and that's 224. Maybe 12 inches. What was like a foot? So like, bring those sunglasses back.
I usually say we're going to be like on this.
Unless we went to that. Let's set it to 15 to start with.
Yeah, 15, and I knocked it out of half.
It's no, but now it's practice.
He had the whole handbook memorized.
Okay, and then we're gonna do reverse while spinning. Six rotations again. I would do very block. If you make it today, if you can't make it today, you only have to make all bars. And if you can't make it, then we're gonna.
And then what thing's the next is here?
Hey, we can try. Four, 5, 6.
All right, could you run this on full power through the coding?
Oh, it is fast.
I want to test it.
Oh, it's fast. But the only thing is, when the disc goes up, since the motor's not strong enough, that's why
I won't be able to do anything to it.
I'm gonna double it. I'm gonna add another motor so it's stronger.
Because it was just flopping
But there's
around.
another.
It's not connected to only one.
Yeah. Okay. Wait. Someone needs to like.
So
Yeah,
those
I'll
wheels
get
are
that.
completely different.
Yeah. We just. I worked on it.
And now we have a new roller.
Okay.
Can someone hand me a screw? This will be a shorter one.
This one.
Oh, yeah.
What's going on with your conveyor belt?
My toes.
Don't mind me.
It doesn't stop. It keeps going, and I can't fix it.
Can you code it to stop?
I tried
Oh,
to
wait.
figure
Well,
that out.
Yeah, I know.
If we're
I
getting
think I know.
really bad, we need it.
Is this for your end game or for your
I think I know
autonomous?
how.
Like autonomous?
Slot 8. Here. I know how to do this.
A lot of teams want their robots. Most teams, I've noticed this from competitions, most teams put their robot up against the roller already
I know
on that side.
That's what we do.
So let's do the other side. Because if our teammate has an autonomous, that's our best bet, is to go with the other end.
Okay, so whoever is driving, we need to think about like timing stuff. So like
I
focus
really suck
on
at
like
driving,
our
just don't
main
put that
stuff
out
that we can get. Focus on like rollers
not
and
even
maybe
connected.
pushing discs. Maybe focus on shooting discs. It fits. It fits.
Oh, it goes down.
Wow, emails and
From the top, it looks like it's just this. When you go down.
anything other than just say, because we're rebuilding our computing.
There's a motor over here? Maybe.
Where'd that not go?
Give me a second. I'm fixing this.
Oh, there it is.
This is all correct. That's correct. This is going this way. No, this is wrong then. This is wrong.
That's going this way. This goes.
Are you gonna try every combination until one of them works?
If this goes this way.
No, that's wrong.
That's correct. If this goes this way, that goes that way.
Oh wait. Why is he drawing them so
If you
far
want
apart?
these to spin in the same direction, this one has
Hold
to
on,
spin
hold on.
opposite.
So,
Just draw the arrows near each other.
no. If this is going this way, this is all correct. So we're going that way. So if this goes here, this goes here. So it actually did work out.
Take these off the speaker. There's another thing where you have a drop in the field and those
You have to do good novelty.
next year.
It's pretty good.
How far are you on the car that way?
I think the rate goes off.
I'm very